Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about another Adidas shoe, man, that I thought was fire and I had to get my hands on, man. I seen the colorway and it caught my attention, and I had to get my hands on it, you know, for my personal collection and to bring to the channel, to bring some awareness to the shoe so you guys could get a look at this shoe and maybe, you know, change your minds on a couple different things. Adidas has a bunch of dope silhouettes that we don't really be paying attention to. They just be flying under the radar. And you know, Adidas is big on comfort. A lot of running shoes that they have are comfortable and they look good on feet, man. And they just don't look good on the track. They look good, you know, doing anything. In your everyday walk of life, you could be wearing a pair of Adidas and be comfortable and be stylish at the same time. But the Adidas we're talking about today is the Adidas Lxcon. This silhouette caught my attention and I was like, man, this shoe is fire, man. When does it come out? I kind of caught the shoe a couple days before the release date. I called a couple of Adidas stores in New York City. A couple of stores said they didn't have them or whatever the case may be, so I just ordered them offline. And you know, they got here today, and I figured I'd just, you know, do the video, bring it to you guys so you guys can get a look at it. But before we do that, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we dropping new content to the channel. And also be sure to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. That's on Instagram and on Twitter. If you guys want to connect with us, you know, directly, I'm always on the Twitter and the Instagram, you know, paying attention and looking at tweets and, you know, posting stuff like that and posting stuff. So if you guys want to connect with us, that's where you can find us at. But I know y'all tired of me talking. Let's get into this shoe. Here you guys go, the Adidas Lxcon, lime green, orange, and black colorway. Let's get straight into it. As you can see, you have the bead sole going all the way around the shoe. The black ring right here that's going up into the mesh all around the whole shoe. Different color mesh. You have black on the bottom with a lime green lining right here that goes up into a lime green mesh. Has the orange, 3 stripes right here for Adidas, of course, you know, 3 stripes. Has rubber holding the shoestrings together. What I thought this was cool. Towards the back, you have a rubber pull tag. You have suede black panel right here with the mesh here. Still, of course, the suede right here is holding the rubber that's going around the whole shoe together. On the inside, same beige sole, black ring going up here, going into the mesh. Same Adidas 3 orange stripes here for Adidas, of course. Go around here to the front, you have a blue line right here, which gives the shoe another color, another look. Have the same thing on this side also. Black tip right here. Has this lever piece, a piece of lever right here holding the rubber bottom down here together. Just a dope silhouette, man. Another great job from Adidas, man. They do a great job with their running shoes. They have some of the best running shoes that was ever made on this earth. If you guys pay attention, I know a lot of people like Nike. I like Nike too, man. But go sleep on Adidas. Adidas got some dope stuff going on, man. Just give them a chance to check them out. They don't just sell Yeezys. They sell a bunch of other dope shoes, man. If you give them a chance to check them out, you guys will be able to see that. But just a clean shoe. I just thought it was a dope colorway for the summertime. You know, lime green and bright colors really pop in the summertime. And I just thought it was cool for me to grab this shoe, you know, just to throw on, you know, some shorts or just some light jeans or something like that with a nice t-shirt or something like that. You can just keep it pushing and, you know, you're good for the day. And you're gonna get a bunch of looks on this shoe because the colorway is clean and it pops out, man. And you can do so many different things with this shoe. Like I mentioned, summertime's coming up, you could do shorts, you could do light jeans or something like that, man. Just an overall clean shoe and a clean silhouette from Adidas again. So great job to you guys for coming out with another dope silhouette that's fire and a lot of people can get their hands on. And this isn't just the only colorway that they have. They have a bunch of other colorways that you guys can check out, man. Just Adidas is doing a great job, man. You know, they're coming out with shoes that stay under the radar. You really have to pay attention to be able to catch on to what they're doing. And I pay attention to everything that has anything to do with sneakers and just hip-hop culture within itself. I'm on point with it, man. But let me know what you guys think. If you guys think this shoe is dope, leave it in the comments below. If you guys think this shoe is trash, leave it in the comments below. I would like to keep a dialogue with you guys and just keep the conversation going about this shoe on any video that I put on this channel. But be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you like this video. But y'all know what time it is. It's time for me to rate this shoe, man. Oh man, I like this shoe so much, man. It's just very clean and straight to the point, man. It's not doing too much, but it is doing too much at the same time. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's exactly what's going on. So me with the colorway and, you know, just overall my likeness of the shoe, man, I'm gonna have to give this shoe, man, 4.5 out of 5 pennies, man. Just a dope shoe, something different. Not everybody's gonna be wearing these. If you get a pair of these, I guarantee you it's gonna be me and you and a couple other people wearing this shoe, man. The shoe is just clean, straight to the point, and it's something different. It's not what you're gonna see every day on somebody's foot or whatever the case may be. So I give this shoe 4.5 out of 5 pennies, man. Let me know what you guys rate it. Leave it in the comments below, and we'll get back at you guys. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.